Welcome to Ksolves Odoo Shopify Connector app. In this video, you will learn how to import locations from Shopify to Odoo using the Odoo Shopify Connector app. Head over to Shopify Connector, click on Instance, choose your instance and select a specific operation. Click on Create Record in Import Action. Select Import Locations in Import Operation. Ensure operation flow is Shopify to Odoo. Click on Execute. Head over to Job Batch and Job Lines. Wait for the process to execute automatically, or you can process them manually. As you can see, the job lines have been completed. Head over to Instance, click on Configuration, Shopify Locations. As you can see, 2 locations for the instance have been imported from Shopify to Odoo. In this way, you can import locations from Shopify for other instances. Contact us at sales@ksolves.com or visit the Odoo App Store to start your free trial today. We will be sharing more feature videos on the same. Thank you for watching.